look at how this hammer candle is perfectly balancing on this EMA.
I saw it and it went up like
Golden Wolf, that's a good play.
And guys, look at this. This is how my brain thinks. So look at this. Using Friday's price action, it's very important to have a community where you guys come and join together and talk about trade ideas, the recap, what you did wrong, what you could have done better. SPY, honestly, very difficult to trade today. But if you missed the entry here, you missed it. Good morning, my fellow traders. Happy Monday and welcome back. I hope you guys had an awesome weekend, and let's get right into it, guys. And also, guess what? We finally got our whiteboard back on the board so I can peep and be like, 1 of 3s only. Anyways, guys, check this out. Look at this weekly candle. Look at this weekly candle time frame on SPY weekly time frame. What does this represent? All it represents is a potential reversal. I'm not saying it's going to reverse, but if it does, I have my call levels, which we're about to dive into it here soon. But guys, check out the volume too. Look how much buyers are stepping in. 257 million? God damn. I wish I had that much money. Look at how this hammer candle is perfectly balancing on this EMA. Now, of course, EMAs are not perfect, as you guys can see. Many times we bounce off EMAs, broke back inside, and kind of chopped around. So this one can be one of those as well. But I am going to be watching it, and let's show you guys my trade idea. So here's SPY on the 4-hour time frame. Now, the only interesting thing is that it is a little bit chopped. I'm not going to lie. Like, if you guys draw a little bit of a zone or a range here, look at it. Look how chopping it is. But look how strong and decent it is coming up here to this area. Strong buyer candle right at this, top of this resistance, which is very strong. Now, if you saw a rejection candle like this, and of course, maybe I'd be a little bit more bearish, but I am a little bit bullish today, only being because this candle here, nice hold in the pre-market, nice little cup here. Could even be a cup and handle if you want to argue that point too, but we're not going to argue that point. We're just going to say, market looks pretty strong here. And it is cup and handle actually. So pretty nice that we saw that. But anyways, guys, hope you guys had a good weekend, and we're going to be watching some SPY calls here, as well as we're also going to be checking out some AMD calls. Guys, check this out, man. So if you didn't watch last week's video, you guys are slacking, but I already did a whole breakdown on why AMD looks very strong here on the weekly time frame, or actually the monthly time frame. I mean, this is the weekly time frame, but on the monthly time frame, this is a decent support here. But guys, check this out. Every time we hit this general area, we tend to bounce, and here we are again at this general area. Not that many buyers, but still pretty interesting. Daily time frame is getting a little bit tight here, building a little bit base. When you go on the 1-hour time frame, check this out. Nice little breakout here. So that's just how I do my analysis. Now, I am kind of already late to the party, so what I would need is a decent pullback to 101 before I actually enter. I'm not going to chase. But anyways, guys, SPY looks pretty decent, and that's what I'm looking at. So let's see what we can catch here. Been about an hour and 30 minutes until the market has been open. Currently, here is an update on the hourly time frame, guys. We got the nice bullish breakout of this nice cup and handle here on SPY. And I did tell the Discord too that this is something that we're watching together. Now, the only thing is it did come back. You guys can see here on the hourly time frame. I'm looking right here on this top chart. So again, nice little breakout here, then breaks and pushes all the way to this resistance level. So now we're just watching it. It's kind of pulling back a little bit, maybe test this general support and see what it does here. But guys, market's not really too in favor. Look at the 5 minutes here, guys. First 5, 10, 15 minutes of market being open, it did push to the upside, consolidated for a little bit, and then it's rejecting here. I mean, we're gonna see what it does, but guys, there's nothing here yet. I mean, I can scalp, I can take a put here to this next support, but it's just not worth it. That's not the kind of trade I'm trying to find. I'm trying to find my one and done trades, and so far nothing's really giving me anything just yet. No confirmation just yet, guys. So we're gonna continue on watching. If we catch a trade, of course, we're gonna record it and show you guys. Guys, the market's almost closed, and no, this is not a screenshot. I literally have not taken a trade, and this is literally my 1400 Charles Schwab account. You can see there as well. Now, we was bullish in the morning. I'm pretty upset that I missed my entry here, so you guys can see. This was the entry here. That bottom of that support is the entry. I just unfortunately missed it. So it is what it is. And the reason why I say that's the entry, because you guys can see, this is literally that area right there that we were struggling to get above on Friday. Then here we are, strong break above, rejects, and then this is the bounce. Now, coulda, woulda, shoulda. Definitely didn't take any trades, and you guys can also see here as well, even on my monitor, it also lines up. No trades at all. So again, $0 on anything. I don't even know why I said SPY, but anyways, guys, literally no trades whatsoever. So again, no screenshot.
I saw it and it went up like
Golden Wolf, that's a good play. Like, this is, I think, the only trade today.
Every single day, practically, we have been going live and doing a trade recap, and we might do that again. Not even might, we are going to do that again today. So guys, if you guys want to join the Discord, it's literally free. Go on my website, click the link I'm about, and join the free Discord. Because guys, every single day we do a trade recap. People ask questions on how to answer whatever it is that you guys want to go over, guys. We go over it in the live voice chat every single day. So guys, check it out. If you guys want to join the free Discord and talk and be a part of traders that's trading every single day, talking about the stock market every single day, buying shares, selling shares, talking about crypto, economic news, everything, guys, please join the Discord. We have over 280 people in it, and it's free, guys. Now, the only thing that I do charge is the education, because I spend my time and hours putting up these videos, editing them, PowerPoints, everything you can imagine possible, but everything else is free. Terminology videos are free, candlestick videos are free, but as far as going in depth on my break and retest strategy, how I enter, all of those are premium. But anyways, guys, literally free to join in. So
as you said, the majority of the profit.
So guys, we're wrapping up today's video. We just ended live in the Discord, and guys, just know we literally went live, did a whole recap on the market plus some more, because members had a question on how to answer or how to use this, how to use that. How do you think about this? These recaps are very vital and important. It's very important to have a community where you guys come and join together and talk about trade ideas, the recap, what you did wrong, what you could have done better. And in this case, all we did, guys, was notice that yes, SPY, honestly, very difficult to trade today. Of course, it's FOMC this week, so we never know. But if you missed the entry here, you missed it. There's no reason to take an entry anywhere else. And guys, look at this. This is how my brain thinks. So look at this. Using Friday's price action and today's price action, you guys can see we're above yesterday's candles, holding, and even this candle right here breaks out above, comes back for a pullback. And guys, I'm not a trader that trades right at open, but if you would have entered right at open, you would have made money for this push. Then again, this is the retest entry where you need to enter. Plus, this is a cup and handle on the hourly time frame. And I sent this into the Discord very early before the market opened, letting them know that, guys, there's a nice cup and handle. I'm very bullish. I'm standing on business. I don't care. And guys, we got the nice break to the upside. So just know, guys, you got to use everything in your favor. And also make sure you guys join the Discord, because guys, we're talking every single day about the market. And I hope to see you guys in the Discord, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow's vlog.